On 11th December 2023, the Australian government unveiled a significant plan, the migration strategy. Let's delve into this and see what this means for Australia, focusing on the new skills in demand visa with 3 unique pathways. First up, the specialist skills pathway. This is for highly skilled migrants, crucial for boosting Australia's productivity. What does it include? An occupation list with new specialist skills threshold with an annual earning starting at 135,000 and super fast visa processing time. Next up, the core skills pathway. The main route for temporary skilled migrants, focusing on a quickly recruiting top talent in areas of need. It features a simple core skills occupation list, requires their salary to be minimum at the TISMET level, which is 70,000 and also indexed annually. Finally, lastly, the essential skills pathway for lower paid workers with essential skills under TISMET. Consultation for these pathways start early mid-2024. So stay tuned for more updates from us. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us for more details.